Hi, it's Rebecca Wells, Director of Neon Zebra, our ultimate career coaching program, and I'm coming to you today on a very, very blustery June afternoon. It's winter here in Sydney and it's blustery, it's not very enjoyable, and quite frankly the beaches don't look like they should do. You can probably see Coogee Beach raging behind me in the distance. Well, it's the mid-year point of the year, it's June, and what we get a lot of clients coming to talk to us about at the moment is this sense of overwhelm, this sense of failure around not achieving all that they want to. You know, it's already 6 months into the year and I'm not achieving what I want to. And I think what tends to happen is that we get so caught up in the now and achieving immediate goals, goals for the next week, goals for the next month, and we forget what the bigger picture goals are, why we're even getting up in the morning to go and achieve these goals. You know, why does it even matter? So what I want you to think about in June is your eggs. Now, what are eggs? Eggs are essentially energizing, enormous, gutsy goals. So start thinking about what your eggs are for the year. What were your eggs back in January? What were your really big, exciting goals in January? They're probably still the same goals that you have now. It's just a question of being more strategic about how you go to achieve them. So really start thinking about what your eggs are. What do you want to achieve in 2012? There's still plenty of time, 6 months to go and achieve those things, and to be celebrating on Christmas Eve that you've achieved all those outcomes that you're looking for. So start thinking about those eggs, write them down, and then take action, and enjoy all those actions and those outcomes as a result. So I'll see you next month in July. It'll still be cold and blustery in Sydney, but hopefully I'll have some more helpful tips to share with you then. Have a great June.